Right, students, let us continue the topic. Next concept is Avogadro number. Avogadro number. Tell me, we study Avogadro number. Next, after Avogadro number, concept, right? Concept of mole or mole concept. Next is molar volume. Next is number of, yes, calculation of number of atoms and number of, yes, calculation of number of atoms and number of molecule also. Next, proton, electron, neutrons. Next is calculation of proton, number of proton, comma, neutron and electron. Yes, methods of expressing concentrations. Methods of expressing concentration. Right, so these things we are going to study. Right, today's session we will start with Avogadro number. Okay, come on, tell me. So this is one of the most important and basic concept we must know. Okay, tell me. So what is Avogadro number and its numerical value? Yeah, its numerical value is 6.022 into 10 power 23. But what is the meaning of Avogadro number? No, okay, that's okay. 1 mole contain Avogadro number of atom or molecule, of course. But what is the meaning of Avogadro number? So Avogadro number is, it is the number of particle. The number of particle present in 12 grams of C12 isotope. 12 grams of carbon 12 isotope. For example, you just imagine this is a 12 gram of carbon. This 12 gram of carbon contain, so like some x number of atoms. 12 grams of carbon contain x grams of what? Carbon atoms. That x number of carbon atoms. Those x number is nothing but Avogadro number. So Avogadro number is the number of particles or nothing but number of atoms. The number of atoms present in 12 grams of carbon 12 isotope. Important. Take down definition. Number of atoms present in 12 grams of carbon 12 isotope. Right, the number of atoms present in 12 grams of carbon 12 isotope. Right, then what is its numerical value? 6.0. Yes, its numerical value is 6.022 into 10 power 23. Okay. Next we have studied atomic mass, gram atomic mass. Okay, so you remember gram atomic mass always contain Avogadro number of atoms. Then gram molecular mass contain Avogadro number of molecules. Therefore gram atomic mass is equals to Avogadro number of atoms. Similarly, it is a gram atomic mass. Let us take gram molecular mass. Yes, gram molecular mass. So gram molecular mass always contain Avogadro number of molecules. gram molecular mass is equals to Avogadro number of molecules. Okay, now tell me, gram atomic mass equal to Avogadro number of atom. Can you tell me what is a gram atomic mass? If atomic mass is expressed in grams, for example, atomic mass of oxygen, come on, tell me, what is the atomic mass of oxygen? 16. Atomic number is 8. Atomic mass is 16. Atomic mass of oxygen 16. What is the gram atomic mass? 16 gram. Then 16 gram oxygen equal to Avogadro number of atom. So therefore, example, gram atomic mass. Take down. Gram atomic mass of oxygen equal to 16 gram. Right? Gram atomic mass of oxygen equal to 16 gram. Therefore, can we write like this? 16 gram oxygen equal to 6.022 into 10 power 23. Which atom? Oxygen atom. Why? Because gram atomic mass is equals to Avogadro number of atoms. No. Right? Gram atomic mass equal to Avogadro number of atom. This is right. One more example. Tell me, what is the atomic mass of nitrogen? 14. Atomic mass of nitrogen is 14. What is its gram atomic mass? 14 grams. Therefore, can I write like this? 14 gram nitrogen. Tell me, equal to, it is 6.022 into 10 power 23. Which atom? Yes, nitrogen has nitrogen atoms. So 14 grams of nitrogen is equals to Avogadro number of atom, nitrogen atom. So therefore, generally Avogadro number denoted by, it is denoted by usually Na. In some book they have given N0, N0 also. Right. Next, one more example. Can you tell me what is the atomic mass of helium? 4. What is its gram atomic mass? 4 gram. So therefore, 4 gram of helium also equal to how many atoms? I'll write Na atoms. Why not? 4 gram Na. Na which atom? Yes, Na helium atoms. So 4 gram helium also equal to Na helium atoms. Okay. Now, so this is how we can calculate the number of atoms. Now, for example, calculation of mass of one atom. I want to calculate mass of one atom. Calculation of mass of one atom or any atom. Yes, that can be done. Now, or else see, we have studied. You know, what is the atomic mass of helium? 4. What is the 4? 4 AMU. Atomic mass of helium is 4 AMU. Okay. Then, if you want in grams, there is gram atomic mass. But AMU converted into grams? 4 into 1.66 into 10 power minus 24. Because 1 AMU is equals to 1.66 into 10 power minus 24 grams. So therefore, now I'll go for another method. I want to calculate mass of one atom. It may be hydrogen, helium, lithium, whatever it is. Do you know? For example, take oxygen. You know, gram atomic mass of oxygen is 16. Can I write like this? 16 gram oxygen is equals to how many atoms? 6.022 into 10 power 23 oxygen atoms. It is logically you should understand, otherwise we have to remember formulas. Therefore, remembering formula secondary, you try to understand logically. Right, 16 gram oxygen is equals to these many oxygen atoms, correct? Okay, now I want reverse. These many oxygen atom mass is equals to 16 gram. These many oxygen atoms mass equal to 16 gram, but I want mass of one atom or one. Yes, very good. The mass of one oxygen atom is equals to dash. So therefore, mass of one oxygen atom. So mass of one oxygen atom is equals to this into this, 1 into 16. Yeah, divided by 6.022 into 10 power 23. Okay, or you see here only, I want general formula. Mass of any atom, mass of any one atom, mass of one atom is equals to, what is the 16 is gram? Yes, gram atomic mass divided by, very good, 6. So gram atomic mass by Avogadro number, which gives mass of one atom, right? Okay, now mass of one atom is equals to, one atom equal to gram atomic mass, of element divided by 6.022 into 10 power 23. Yes, biggest value, 10 power 23. Okay, then do you know? So this, it is a nothing but 1 by 6.022 into 10 power 23. Say this 1 by 6.022 into 23. Its value is approximately 1.66 into 10 power minus 24. Therefore, yes, that already we have studied. Mass of one atom also equal to, yes, gram atomic mass. It should be in gram, no? Gram atomic mass into 1.66 into 10 power minus 24. It should be in gram, because gram atomic is now. The same thing we have studied, no? Gram atomic mass multiply with this AMU. It is nothing but value of AMU. You will get mass of one atom.
So both are formulas.
Yes. So this is simplified formula. Remember this. Mass of one atom of any element is equals to its gram atomic mass multiply with AMU.
Multiply with AMU or divided by AMU.
Yeah.
So, but dividing is complex, so multiplying is easy.
Yeah, that's what we gave simple formula, no?
Yes.
Yes, we try to remember always simple formulas. Do you remember? This is already we have studied.
Yes.
Where you have studied? Do you know? Okay, I remind you. Atomic mass. Okay? Atomic mass of oxygen. Tell me. What is the atomic mass of oxygen is equals to 16 AMU.
Yes, sir.
AMU. Okay. But if you want in grams, 16 into AMU is what? 1.66 into 10 power minus 24 grams. The same, no? Gram atomic mass, AMU. So this is not a new formula, already you have studied. Okay. So this is how we can get mass of one atom. Okay, one question. Calculate the mass of one atom of following. Third question. Calculate the mass of one atom of following. Calculate the mass of one atom of following. 1. Iron. 2. Copper. 3. Sodium. 4. Nitrogen. 5. Oxygen. Tell me, how do you calculate mass of one atom of these? Now for tell me, first one is mass of iron. Iron atom, no? Come on. Mass of iron atom, nothing but one iron atom. The mass of one iron atom is equals to, what is its gram atomic mass? 56. Multiply with 1.66 into 10 power minus 24 grams. That's it. You need not to do multiplication. Just write that.
Only one atom.
Yes, mass of one atom. See, now you can imagine. No, the mass of one iron atom is this much. 56 into 1.66 into 10 power minus 24. Minus 24.
Very small addition.
So minus 24 means it is very, very, very small. It is impossible to weigh in weighing machine. How it is minus 24? No.
Comes in quantum level.
Yes. So that is the reason. So we have indirect method to calculate mass of atoms. Next, similarly, second one, mass of copper. No. One copper atom is equals to 63.5 into 1.66 into 10 power minus 24 grams. Like that, right? All. Okay, so do it later. Next we have one more important relation is gram. We have studied gram atomic mass is equals to Avogadro number of atom. Then what is the gram molecular mass equal to? Avogadro number of molecule. Therefore next write gram molecular mass. Gram molecular mass also equal to Na molecules, not atom. Na molecules. Yeah, that I will do it later. So first we'll calculate molecule, then convert into atom later. Okay. So gram molecular mass equal to Na molecule. Now let's see example. Can you tell me what is the gram molecular mass of oxygen? What is the molecular mass of oxygen? What is the molecular mass of O2? 32 gram molecular mass, 32 grams. Therefore, one example, molecular mass, write down, molecular mass of oxygen is equals to just 32, right? 32. But what is the gram molecular mass of oxygen? Gram molecular mass of O2 is equals to 32 grams. Now come on, tell me, gram molecular mass of O2 equal to which one? Molecular mass of oxygen 32.
O2 sir.
Gram molecular mass of
ऊपर भी ऑक्सीजन लिखना सर.
so gram molecular mass.
ऑक्सीजन में
No oxygen.
सर.
No oxygen. Oxygen means always molecule only.
O2 रिसेप्टर.
Ah yes. Yeah, O2. You can write O2 also. Right. Next, gram molecular mass of O2 is equals to 32 gram. Then tell me, gram molecular mass of O2 is 32 gram. I want. Now here, 32 gram O2 is equals to how many molecule? 6.022 into 10 power 23 molecules. Why? 32 gram is a what? Gram molecular mass. Gram molecular mass of oxygen is equals to Avogadro number of molecule. Right. One more example. Tell me, what is the gram molecular mass of carbon dioxide? So gram molecular. Tell me, gram molecular mass of oxygen is 44 grams. CO2. Okay, CO2. 44 gram. No? Therefore, 44 gram CO2 is equals to how many molecule? Na molecule. Na molecule of what? CO2. Na molecules of CO2. Similarly, one more example. Can you tell me what is the molecular mass of water? 18. Gram molecular mass? 18 gram water, no. 18 gram H2O. Come on, tell me, 18 gram H2O is equals to how many molecules? Na molecules. Yes, Na molecules of H2O. Okay. Now, calculation of
atoms per molecule.
no. Let's see mass of one molecule. Calculation of mass of one molecule.
Atomic mass को Avogadro number of atomic mass into 1
Okay. Now similarly, see, we have same method. Okay. And tell me calculation of mass of one molecule. I want. Tell me how do you calculate mass of one molecule? Atomic mass. Gram molar mass. Okay. Yeah. We'll do simple method. Tell me. You just tell me. Take oxygen only. Gram molecular mass. Gram molecular mass is equals to how many molecule? Na molecule, no? So gram molecular mass of any substance is equals to Avogadro number of molecule. Now can I say like the reverse now? These many molecule mass is equals to gram molecular mass. If we have one molecule, then what is the mass of one molecule is equals to, so mass of, yes, mass of one molecule is equals to gram molecular mass
by Na molecule.
gram molecular mass divided by 6.022 into 10 power 23. So gram molecular mass divided by Avogadro number, which gives mass of one molecule. But we know that 1 by 6.022 to 10 power 23. 1 yes. Therefore, mass of one molecule. Mass of one molecule of any substance is equals to gram molecular mass into 1 AMU, nothing but 6.66 into 10 power minus grams. That's it. Calculate the mass of one molecule of following. Take one question. Calculate the mass of one molecule of following. Calculate the mass of one molecule of following: H2O, CO2, NH3, 4 ammonia, or no, next 4 is C6, H12, O6, 5 molecule of H2. Okay, take H2SO4. You just calculate the mass of one molecules of following substance.
So it gives you 1.66 into
Yeah, first one. Yeah,
24 into
180
mass of one molecule of H2O.
18 into
Gram molecular mass is 18
into
grams into 1.66 into 10 power minus 24 grams. That's it.
That's 44.
Now here carbon dioxide gram molecular mass is 44 grams.
70.
This is 17 grams. Glucose 180. You must remember C6 H12 O6. It is called glucose 180 grams.
98.
Sulfuric acid
98.
98 grams. Okay. Therefore, all the gram molecular mass multiply with 1 AMU value.
Sir, from molecules to only atom.
Huh. Tell me.
Atom from molecules. Not
Okay.
molecules.
Now that's next is calculation of number of atoms from molecule. Okay. So now so far we have calculated number of atoms, how to calculate number of molecule, how to calculate. But if the molecule is given, how to calculate number of atoms? Okay. Now that also I will give one simple example. Can you tell me? Take oxygen only. What is the gram molecular mass of oxygen? Gram molecular mass
32.
of oxygen is equals to 32 grams. Okay. Then next, 32 grams of oxygen is equals to how many molecule? Na molecule. Listen carefully. Na molecules. 32 grams of oxygen is equals to Na molecule. But I want 32 grams of oxygen is equals to how many atoms? Here see, this one molecule has how many atoms? 2 atoms. 2 oxygen, no. One molecule has 2 atoms. Then Na molecule has 2 into Na atoms. It means 32 grams of oxygen also equal to 2 into Na atoms.
Sir, in O2 we can use it, but in cases of H2SO.
Wait, that we will do one example. Okay, this is one example. Okay, Let's see one more example. If you have doubt, we'll clarify here. Right, see, therefore here, listen carefully. 32 gram is equals to what? Gram molecular mass, no? Right? Listen first. 32 gram is equals to gram molecular mass. Can I write like this? Gram molecular mass is always equal to Na molecule, no? Bari boda?
Formula, sir.
Yes, gram molecular mass is equals to Na molecule, but I want atoms. Illodi. If you take O2, this O2 has how many atoms? 2 atoms. That means what is the atomicity of this O2? 2. Atomicity means number of atoms in one molecule. So one molecule there are 2 atoms, which is called atomicity. Therefore, gram molecular mass is equals to Na molecule. Gram molecular mass also be equal to,
Na molecules into atomicity.
yes, atomicity
into Na atoms.
Na atoms.
into
Na atoms.
Na atoms. Bari boda? Yes. This is important. Atomicity into Na atoms. Na molecule, but multiply the atomicity with Na atoms. You have doubts? Na molecule, no. Na molecule. See here, Na molecule. But this Na, you know, if you take one molecule has how many atoms? 2 atoms. Okay, but I want Na molecule has how many atoms? 2 into Na atoms. Na molecule has how many atoms? 2 into Na atoms. Why? One molecule has 2 atoms. When one molecule has 2 atoms, Na molecule must have 2 into Na atoms.
Okay, sir. Next, one atom in molecule, sir.
Okay.
That's for first.
We will wait one by one. We'll do some questions here, then we'll go for that concept.
Okay, sir. So, but atomicity is not same as.
Wait. Okay, now have taken that.
Okay, sir.
It come by practice only. Don't get confused. If you do 1-2 example, definitely you'll get confused. We'll do many example, no problem. Let's say one more example. You just tell me gram molecular mass of CO2. 44 grams, right? Okay. Gram molecular mass of CO2 is equals to 44 grams. Now I want gram molecular mass 44, therefore 44 gram CO2 is equals to how many molecule? No, 44 gram CO2 is how many molecule asking? 6.022 into 10 power 23 molecules, not atom, because CO2 is molecule. 44 gram CO2 is equals to these many molecules. How that? But I want atoms. How to calculate atom? It's very simple. I'll take 44 grams of CO2 only. 44 grams of CO2 is equals to, if you take one CO2, there are how many atoms? 3 atoms. One CO2 has 3 atoms. How? 1 carbon, 2 oxygen. Therefore, now one molecule has 3 atoms. Now these many molecules having how many atoms? 3 into 6.022 into 10 power 23. It is become atom now. Okay, that's what we have written. What? Gram, one simple formula. Gram molecular mass is equals to atomicity into Na atoms. Remember, this is a simple formula. Okay.
Understand, sir?
Now one more question. Calculate the number of atoms in the following molecule. Calculate the number of atoms in the following molecules. Okay, 1
In this three.
H2O, 2
Into Avogadro number.
yes,
4 into
yes,
7 into Avogadro
Seven into
number. 24 into Avogadro number.
H3 three of them.
8 into
Eight
Avogadro
into
number.
Avogadro.
it just stayed into a number. Calculate the number of atoms in the following. Okay, no, following, wait, one second, I have not written wait. This is a, take 1.8 gram water, 1.8 gram water, this is 170 gram ammonia, this is 49 gram H2SO4, this is 18 gram C6H12O6. Next, this is 9.8 gram phosphoric acid. Okay, here now. Okay, will note it. This is, now here I have given weight, mass. 1.8 grams of water has how many atoms? How many atoms I want? Therefore, we know this gram molecular mass is equals to atomicity into these many atoms. Okay, so therefore, can you tell me gram molecular mass of water is 18 gram. So 18 gram is equals to atomicity. What is atomicity? 3 into Na. It means, yeah, Na atoms. We know this. Okay, as per the concept, we know this. 18 gram water. Okay, 18 gram H2O is equals to 3 into Na atoms. This much we know. But what question given? 1.8. The question is 1.8 gram H2O is equals to dash number of atom. So it is a 1.8 into 3 into cross multiplication 3 into Na divided by 18. So it is a 1za, it is a 10za. So that means 0.3 Na atoms. Answer. That's it. Next, remaining. Yeah. Second one, ammonia. No. So what is the gram molecular mass of ammonia? 17. So we know that 17 gram ammonia is equals to. So how? What is atomicity? 4. 4 into Na atoms.
40 Na atoms.
That's it. So it is 170 gram ammonia is equals to dash number of atom. Cross multiplication.
40 atoms. Na atoms.
7/2.
So answer is 40 Na atoms.
Next one 7/2 Avogadro number of water.
Next is
7/2
7/2.
into Avogadro number.
Hmm.
We can do 7.
Hmm?
We can do easily.
You can do?
2.4 into Avogadro number.
Okay.
0.8 into Avogadro.
0.8. Huh?
Last one is
Last one. Its molecular mass is 98. You are not doing molecular mass? Not calculating.
180 sir.
No, it's-
80 by 180.
This is 180.
1/10.
Hmm.
1/10 is delivered to 24 sir.
Hmm.
2.4 into Avogadro number.
Yes.
Next to 9.8 means also 1/10.
Yes, yes, right.
0.8 into Avogadro.
Okay. Do like that.
98 into
No, its molecular mass is 98.
98.
So similarly, 98 grams is equals to 3 plus 4, 4 plus 8. 8 into Na atoms.
0.8.
Then 98, 9.8 is equals to dash.
80 sir. 80 sir. 80.
What 80 molecular mass? Huh?
No sir. 80 Na atoms.
0.8 is the 0.88.
Do calculation properly. It's just calculation only.
Atomicity 8 sir.
Okay. Next, one more question. Right. Calculate the calculate the number of molecules in the following. Calculate the number of molecules in the following.
Divided by what?
Yeah. So calculate the number of molecule in the following. 1. Take 36 gram H2O. 2. 22 gram CO2. 3. 140 gram ammonia. Calculate this thing. We want to calculate molecules. Okay. Now tell me, what is the relation between molecule and molecular mass? Gram molecular mass is equals to Na molecule. You must remember all the relations, then only it is possible to calculate. You know, in NEET exam, definitely one question will be there based on this concept. What we are discussing today, no? And today and tomorrow. So one question will be there. So gram molecular mass is equals to Na molecule. Gram atomic mass is equals to Na atoms. ನೋಡಿ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಮಾಸ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅಟಾಮಿಕ್ ಮಾಸ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಆಟಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, right? So therefore gram molecular mass is equals to Na molecule. Now let's say all these are molecules, atoms are. H2O is a molecule, CO2 is a molecule, ammonia is a molecule. Therefore now let us take water. What is the gram molecular mass of water? 18 grams. Gram molecular mass must be grams. 18 gram water is equals to how many molecule? Na atom. Okay, sorry, Na molecule.
32 Na.
That's it.
2 Na.
Na molecules.
5 Na.
So 36 gram is equals to dash number of molecule. So therefore 36 into Na divided by 18 molecules. That is equal to 2 Na molecule.
0.5 Na. 5 Na.
That's it. Here CO2. What is the gram molecular mass of CO2?
44.
44 gram. 44 gram CO2 is equals to Na molecule. Then 22 gram CO2 is equals to dash 22 into Na divided by 44, which is equals to 0.5 Na molecules. Last one, 140 gram ammonia. We know that 17 gram ammonia is equals to Na molecule, right? Then 140 gram ammonia is equals to dash number of molecules. It is 140 into Na divided by 17, approximately 8 point something. Okay, calculate it. Finish. So in this way you can calculate number of molecules also. One more question. Which of the following has highest number of molecules? These kind of questions are expected. Which of the following has highest number of molecules? Option 1, 180 gram glucose. 2, 180 gram H2O. 3, 120 gram CH3COOH acetic acid. And fourth one, 4.4 gram CO2. Calculate. Which of the following has maximum number of molecules?
180 gram H2O.
Tell me.
180 gram H2O.
Answer is 180 grams of H2O. How many molecule?
10 Avogadro number.
10 Avogadro means 10 into Na molecules, no? Jayad. What about this 180 gram glucose?
1 Avogadro.
1 Na molecule.
2 Avogadro number. 120.
120 is
2 Avogadro number.
2 Avogadro number. Because acetic acid molecular mass is 60 gram molecular mass.
Another easy trick is this, sir. If the gram molecular mass is lesser, sir, then Avogadro number is greater.
Okay, we want molecule, no, that can be done. So here, no, basically go through the according to concept.
But shortcut.
In shortcut you can get it, but always the shortcut will not work out.
I'm thinking like that.
Yeah, do that's okay. But first of all, you should know what is the proper method. Then shortcut.
Okay, sir.
Right. So therefore, 120 gram acetic acid. Acetic acid gram molecular mass is 60 gram. Okay, 60 gram is equals to Na molecule, but 120 to Na molecule last time. Then next 44 gram molecular mass of CO2, 44 grams. 44 gram is equals to Na molecule. 4.4 gram is equals to 0.1 Na molecule. Therefore, highest molecule is 10 Na molecule. Okay. Similarly, one more question. Which of the following has least number of atom? Least number of atom. Earlier highest, now it is least number of atom. Earlier molecule, it is now atom. Okay. Let us take same option. 180 gram glucose. Okay. 2. 180 gram H2O. 2. 3. 120 gram acetic acid, and D is 4.4 gram. 4.4 grams of. Are you sure? Calculate first. Calculate or did it?
Number of molecules into atomicity.
Ah, yes.
It's a 0.8 or 2.
Wait, number of, yeah, number of atoms. What is the formula? Number of atoms. Okay.
Number of molecules into atomicity.
No. It is we want number of atoms. No.
No, sir.
Atomicity into number of molecules.
Sir, atomicity into number of molecules.
No.
Atomicity into number of molecules, sir.
No. You know gram molecular mass
Sir,
is equals to.
cross multiply.
Yeah. Gram molecular mass is equals to what? Tell me. Atomicity. Right? Atomicity into Na atoms. No. Right? So gram molecular mass is equals to atomicity into number of Na atoms. Okay. Now, come on, tell me. It is 180 gram glucose, right? Now, what is the gram molecular mass of glucose? 180. 180 gram is equals to atomicity is glucose. C6H12O6. 24 into Na atoms. It means 180 grams of glucose is equals to these many atoms.
Then 1 gram of
These many atoms. But question is what? Again 180. So therefore 24 Na atoms are there. This is contain 24 into Na atoms. Okay. Now second one. 180 gram water. Do you know? Its molecular mass is 18 gram. Gram molecular mass of water is equals to how many atoms? 3 into Na atoms, right? Yeah, 18 gram is equals to 3 into Na atoms. Then 180 gram is equals to
30 into Na atom.
this into this by this, no?
30 into Na.
Sir, 3 into N, sir.
30.
30 comes, man. 180 no.
Sir,
1
divided with 10, sir.
180 into 3 by 18 no.
30
30 Na atoms. So here is how many?
7.5.
No, here 24 Na atoms.
24 Na.
Here 24. Here is 30 Na
30 Na.
atoms.
16.
Next. Yeah. Tell me this.
16 Na.
So 120 no. What is the gram molecular mass of acetic acid?
What? 60.
60. Okay. Then 60 gram is equals to. Tell me how many atoms? 3.
8.
1 carbon. 1 plus 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 8 into Na atoms. Then 120 is equals to
16.
1 6.
0.3, sir. Next. 0.3.
Next is
0.3.
0.3 Na atom.
Yes, sir.
Tell me where the highest.
So, least, sir.
Sorry, least. Okay, least is
4.4.
Okay. Now so far we have studied how to calculate number of atom, number of molecule, mass of one atom, mass of one molecule. Over. Next, let's see here only how to calculate number of electron or calculation of number of electrons, proton, neutron. 3. Calculation of number of electrons.
Atomic number equals to electrons and protons.
No. Just write heading. Calculation of number of electron, comma, proton and neutrons. Right. So calculation of number of electrons, comma, protons and neutrons. How to calculate electron, proton, neutron? Come on, tell me. You know, we know the atomic mass. We know atomic mass, molecular mass. Let's start with atomic mass. You know, gram atomic mass. Once again, I'll write clearly. Gram atomic mass is equals to how many atoms? Na atoms. Bari boda? Okay. Gram atomic mass is equals to Na atoms. Howda? Right. This is one formula already we have studied. We did many problem. Now, come on, tell me. We have another formula. Gram molecular mass.
Yes,
Yes, sir. Atomicity into Na molecule.
Gram molecular mass is equals to Na molecule or atomicity
Na atoms.
into Na
Atoms.
atoms, no? Okay. Okay. Now we want to calculate electron first. You just tell me. Take example oxygen atom.
Oxygen molecule.
Oxygen atom. Take atom.
Okay.
So oxygen atom has how many electrons?
8 electron, 8.
Electrons are usually 8. How many proton?
8.
It is protons are 8. So neutrons also usually 8. Okay, because oxygen 16. 8 electron, 8 proton, 8 neutron. Right? Now see, gram atomic mass is equals to any atom, no? Now can I like this? Gram atomic mass is equals to Na atom. All right. But I want electrons. Do you know gram atomic mass of oxygen is 8, no? 8 grams, no? Okay. Therefore, gram atomic mass. Sorry. Yeah, oxygen is 16. Okay, not 8. Okay. Gram atomic mass of oxygen is 16 gram. Okay. Then gram atomic mass is equals to Na atom. But if you want to take electron, you know, one atom has how many electron? 8 electron. One atom has 8 electron. Then what about Na atom has?
Na electron.
Na into 8 into Na electrons. I repeat once again. Gram atomic mass is equals to Na atoms. Howda? Na atoms. But we know that one atom has 8 electron.
Yes, sir.
We know that one atom has 8 electron. Then Na atom has Na 8 into Na electron. Therefore, can I take this? Gram atomic mass also equal to one more formula. Gram atomic mass also equal to 8 into Na electron. This is for what?
Oxygen.
Oxygen. If you want to write general formula, come on, tell me. General formula.
Mass is equals to Z.
Gram atomic mass is equals to
Z into Na.
Z for neutral atom. Okay. For neutral atom, Z.
Z into Na electron.
Z into
Na
Na
electron.
electron.
Na electron.
Electron.
Okay, where Z is equals to what? Number of electron, or else you can write number of electron.
Proton in neutral species is equals to, sir.
Yeah, for neutral phase, no. Better write electron. Number of electron into Na electrons. Okay, now one question. Calculate the number of electron. Take this formula first. Finish? Write down question. Calculate the number of electrons in 5 minutes. Calculate the number of electrons in the following. Number of electrons in the following. 1. gram carbon, 2 10 gram hydrogen, 3 180 gram water. Okay, I'll do it. Listen first. Let's see this first. 120 grams of carbon. We know that gram molecular mass or gram atomic, take atom no carbon, gram atomic mass is equals to how many atoms?
60.
Na atoms. Okay, this is we know. Yeah, gram atomic mass is equals to Na atom, but gram atomic mass also equal to how many electrons? 1 carbon has 6 electron. 1 carbon has 6 electron. Then Na carbon atom has 6 into Na electrons. Right? Yeah. Gram atomic mass is equals to 6 into Na electron. But now question is gram atomic. What is the gram atomic mass of carbon? 12. 12 gram carbon is equal to this much. Then 120. No, hydrogen. Come on, tell me. Hydrogen is no, 10 gram hydrogen.
5.
Do you know? Atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. Okay, 1 gram hydrogen is equals to how many atoms? Na atoms. Okay, but 1 atom has how many electron? 1 electron. Therefore, can write Na 1 into Na atom in place of electron baribodu. So 1 gram hydrogen is equals to 1 Na electron. Then 10 gram hydrogen is equals to 10 into Na electrons. Okay. Then third one, 180 gram water. Tell me.
100.
Where? 180. Let's see. Third one. Yeah, third one is molecule. Now so far we did for atom, it's molecule. Let's see, for molecule we write gram molecular mass. Gram molecular mass is equals to, tell me, atoms. No, any molecule. Wait, Na molecule. Need not to go for that also. So therefore gram molecular mass is equals to Na molecule. But you just tell me, this one molecule has how many electron?
3.
Electron.
10.
One molecule has 10 electron. 1 hydrogen, 1 electron. There are 2 hydrogen, 2 electron. Then oxygen. So yes, 8 electron. It is 10 electron. it means one oxygen molecule has 10 electron. Therefore, 18 gram oxygen is equals to Na molecule. We can write 10 into Na electrons. Electrons. Then question is 180.
Is equals to 100 Na electron.
Yes. It requires practice.